about Muslim vote consolidation. What will the effect of this phenomenon be in the GA elections, in the upcoming 2024 elections?
See, 2024 is very different because these elections are fought on local issues, the state elections, and state election, as I said, BJP had much to answer for. On the national level, BJP has nothing to fear because BJP has given enough answers in last 9 years, which cannot be denied by its worst critics. They can keep on shouting. So Modi just delivered. And if you look at the Modi ji's vote share during last 2019 was 51% in Karnataka itself. And we found 2018 also, Congress had won 4 elections before the general election, but finally Modi ji won in 2019 with much better vote share. So the issues at the local and the national level are very different. Modi ji fought a valiant battle in Karnataka. I think with his presence, BJP has at least saved 10 more seats because that is Bangalore and North Kannada, which would not have come to them. So his contribution was there. But local, see, you can have a success of so-called double engine when the other engine is also seen as working. Somehow that impression didn't work in Karnataka. So that was that. And now coming to 2019, the one is that Modi's popularity still there is no opposition leader. Secondly, opposition cannot unite. Rahul Gandhi's success or rather Congress success this year, which was due to the local very strong leadership, maybe credit can they will take the credit for Rahul Gandhi. That's fine, their politics, no issues. Now Rahul Gandhi or Congress becoming stronger can become a roadblock in case of entire opposition unity because they worked on the premises that Congress will be weak, Congress will lose. They can turn around Congress and push it around. Now Congress basically is an arrogant party. It has never treated others very with humility. That is the reason on opposition unity you have problems with Congress. Now, having tasted some success in Karnataka, they will demand more, while the opposition leaders who have their own egos, whether it's TRS or Mamta, they will not be very happy to accommodate her. Then look at their competition. They are all competing in the same space, whether it's Telangana or Bengal or Bihar. Bihar, they are hardly present anyway. But in the areas where there is election, they are the main competitors. In that case, what will they do when the general election comes? What will they do? So the regional parties won't be happy to take them around. Congress will want bigger pie, and that is where the problem will be because Congress looks good today, but when it comes to the next election, 2024, it will not have that kind of image that they see on a particular because in state level these are local leaders who have done well. And Karnataka typically BJP did not present a very good local leader. That very clear. By getting Yadurappa out and not putting another very good face who looked like who had a fighting chance or who could produce very good, work for BJP, that didn't happen. So unimpressive local leaders, then BJP leaders central leader can't pick up. And knowing this, only blame I can put on central leadership. But despite knowing this, they did not take timely action.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.